It's getting really bright.
Are you pointing at me?
Okay, yeah, you working too? It's really bright.
Dude!
It's not even funny, it's not funny.
I love you, but stop.
Hey.
You're also gonna like kick the area right now. You don't like it.
Are you making a video of this?
Mm-hmm.
Dude, you would make a video.
It's a good song.
Nice so I'd get in trouble.
This is their fault. Those two right there. Crackfield Potter Donut.
Get out of here.
Okay, we'll see.
Oh! Step
Oh,
on the corn.
darkness.
Darkness is.
I'm helping you. I'm gonna be painted right here. Doesn't look like it.
What you get? Consequences. Okay.
He's like, I'm not even gonna keep. Oh.
I saw the shadow. I saw it. Did she get me?
No.
Did she get me?
I wanted to. I just really wanted to. Either that's painted or not.
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
Yeah, it's painted.
This is not though. Around it. Okay, so everything over.
Right there. That hole right there.
Okay, we need to have one person doing the ceiling. Do me a favor. Get a roller. Hey,
Oh.
get a roller. I want you to do whole start from here. This line right here, the corner. You make your way across here. I'm just gonna do that. Back and forth, okay?
I have a roller.
And then you do it.
I want to get rid of these spots.
Well, you'll
Yeah,
do
because I
it in
spent all
time.
spots.
Trust me. You want some? You want some?
No, I'm good.
You don't want
Most of
anything?
this is painted.
Positive, don't
This
need
is all
none.
painted. It's just that corner right there. You can see it. Right here. From there over. Right there.
Alright, go and take that then.
What? Ready? Stop. This chair. I don't like this chair.
Okay, so there's getting paint on stuff that there's need to be paint on.
Oh, we're gonna throw that out anyway.
Oh, okay, never mind. So,
It's okay. It's just
I'm gonna dunk it in the paint.
on a rampage.
Look at.
Just chilling. You know.
I need to fix this fast. Can you use this? Hold it.
I'm just so disappointed in you guys.
I'm disappointed in your face. I'm
Okay.
sure.